Hey guys, what's up? So today we are making French toast in a ball. Take 2 breads and cut it in squares. Take 1 egg and add 3 tablespoons of milk in it. Add a dash of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and don't forget your black pepper. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You can also add cinnamon in it. I couldn't find mine. So mix it all and then dip your bread in it. This way your bread is fully coated. Take a pan, heat it and grease it. Add your French toast, cook it, flip it, cook it. Once it's done, serve it in a bowl. Over here I'm adding strawberry syrup, chocolate syrup as well as some heavy cream. There you go, have fun, bye!